Hello friends, in this segment we show you some mark sheet of our past students who scored very well in SFM, and due to SFM their entire group gets cleared, and few mark sheet are also such that not only group 1 but they are able to clear group 2 also with the help of SFM and elective paper. So one such mark sheet is of Nidhi Tiwari. She secured 80% marks in SFM, and you can see 40 marks in audit and 46 marks in law. I just want to say that if your theory paper is not so strong, you don't need to worry about it. You just need to score 40 to 50 marks in those paper, and if your SFM or accounts is strong, you can excel in those paper, and due to set of effect your entire group will be cleared. Again, one mark sheet is of Vanshaj Agrawal. He secured 80% marks in SFM. You can see how vital these marks were. He got his entire group cleared. He secured 47% in accounts, audit 41 and law 44. The benchmark of 50% marks was not achieved in any of the three papers. Still, this student is able to clear the entire group due to his strong conceptual knowledge in SFM. He is really very good in SFM. That's why he managed to score 80% marks, and he also able to clear his entire group. So whenever you will appear in your exam, I want you to achieve All India rank 1. So many students have achieved this milestone. So I want to show your mark sheet also, where you are scoring highest marks in all the papers, and no doubt in that in SFM you will score very good because of our class conceptual coverage plus 100% detailed extensive knowledge of stock market with practical questions of institute, 100% coverage of new study material, RTP, MTP, and all the questions of last 25 years at least. Fine, sir. So friends, today I want to say you a story of a king who always used to think negative. All day and all night he had developed a negative outlook, negative mindset for himself. He was very upset for himself. He wanted to change his life. He wanted to change his outlook, but he always had a negative mindset all day, all night. So he consulted with some good spiritual leaders. So he met with one spiritual guru. He told him that I always think negative, please give me some remedy of this outlook. So the guru said, which color you like most? So the king said that I like green color the most. I like the green color the most. So what guru suggested him, that you start seeing green color every day. You should not see any other color other than green. So king said, okay, will my negative outlook be changed with that? Yes, it will be changed. You try once. So what he did, he painted his entire kingdom with green color. Everything was in green color, the flooring, the ceiling, the curtains, the pillow, the bed sheet, everything was in green color, even the dress, even the clothes were in green color. Everybody was instructed in the kingdom that all will have to wear green color because the king don't want to see any other color. Few days passed, 10 days, 15 days passed, and then the Guru again came to visit the king. When Guru came to visit the king, he was stopped in the main gate because he was wearing yellow color dress. So he was told, please go and wear green color dress, otherwise we will not allow you to enter into our palace. So Guru said, okay, no problem. He changed his dress and he was now in green color dress, and then he met the king. So king said, Guru, I am having no change in my outlook. Again I am thinking negative. I have no improvement in my outlook. Even I painted my entire kingdom with green color, I am having a negative outlook. Again, what to do? My negative outlook is not changing. So the Guru said, now this is the last line of the story. The Guru said, your negative outlook is not changing because you wanted to change others. You wanted to change your entire world around you. Rather, the change must be from within. The change must be from within. What you could have done, you could have done. So what he said? He said, if you have, instead of painting the entire world with green color, you could have wear a specs which is green coated, so that you can watch everyone with the green color. You need not change the entire world with green. You could have changed your own eyesight, your own vision with green, so that entire world will be green for you. What I want to conclude? The conclusion is that you should change yourself from inside. If you are happy from inside, whole world will be happy. You will see everyone as happy. If you are sad from inside, you will see everyone with a sad face. So it all depends on you. It's all in you. It's all in you, friends. So you do not need to change the entire world to become happy, to become positive. If you are positive from inside, if you change your own eyesight, if you change your own vision, if you change your own thinking, entire world will be like that. If you think positive, other will be positive. If you think that you are happy, you will be happy. You should not be affected by the outer world to make you happy from inside. It's an inside job, it's not an outside job. I hope the point is very much clear. Train your mind to see the good in every situation. Yes, friend, the power of positive thinking. I have shown you two images. One is positive viewpoint and one is negative viewpoint. The way we look into the things becomes positive and negative for us. Everything depends on the way you see. Everything depends the way you see. So friends, I will only request you to think positive, to change your mindset, to change your thinking, because everything is here, not outside. Everything is inside you. If you, the way you will see, the way you will think, the way the world will become. So thank you, friends. Hope you will be able to make your life more successful, more happier, more beautiful, with full of positivity. Fine, sir.